kids, it's English time.
Hi everyone! I've got a story to share with you today. I am Teacher Bea from Rafael M. Lojo Memorial School, Lipa City Division. The story that I am going to tell you is entitled Monkey Stuff. It is written and illustrated by Rebecca Bilowski of Booksback and was published in Free Kids Book. In this story, you are going to learn that every action has consequences and that it is not good to steal anyone's things. Do you know what the little monkey felt after stealing everybody's things? Let's find out. So sit down, relax, and listen. In a count of 1, 2, 3. Listen, interact, participate, appreciate. Monkey Stuff. There was a cow, she had one bell. She always wore it, but then one day, well, a little monkey, brown and cheeky, stole that bell 'cause he was sneaky. There was a dog, he had 2 bones. Sometimes one buries what one owns. So he dug a hole in the ground and buried his bones, that digging hound. But that same little monkey come back around. There was a bird, 3 eggs she laid. Nearby that nest she always stayed. That rascal monkey snuck up one day, snatched those eggs and ran away. There was a pony with 4 horseshoes. They were items that she could not lose. Nevertheless, one summer evening, the monkey stole them and danced while living. There was a baker, he baked 5 buns, those light and tasty, crispy ones. The monkey appeared and took the lot, then ran off juggling them. They were hot. There was an ant, 6 slippers she wore. They kept her feet cozy on the cold dirt floor. The monkey took them and didn't think. He didn't expect that they would stink. There was a princess. She wore 7 pearls to make her look better than the other girls. That monkey thief was lurking and some naughtiness was being planned. A crocodile, he loved to smile. He had 8 teeth, but one night while he was in bed, the monkey crept, his fingers stealing as the reptile slept. 9 apples grew upon a tree, red and crispy and so juicy. But someone came a-swinging through and grabbed those apples. Can you guess who? 10 hairs were in the lion's mane. He combed them often. He was vain. That pesky monkey was looking on. One single snip, and those hairs were gone. There was a monkey, he had lots of stuff, but he never seemed to have enough. He had 1 cowbell, 2 bones, 3 eggs, 4 horseshoes, 5 buns, 6 slippers, 7 pearls, 8 teeth, 9 apples, and 10 hairs. Everyone had lost something of theirs. But the monkey felt a bit bad inside. Because of him, a cow had cried. In the end, the things were returned. Mom said, "No stealing," and the lesson was learned. Before you do other stuff, answer the following questions first. Are you ready? What is the title of our story?
The title of our story is Monkey Stuff.
Correct! Where did the little monkey get his things?
The little monkey got his things from stealing.
Good! Your answer is correct. Why did the monkey feel a bit bad inside after stealing everyone's things?
The monkey felt bad inside because a cow had cried.
Nice! Your answer is correct. What did the monkey do with the things that he stole?
The monkey returned all the things that he stole.
Good job! What is the moral of the story?
The moral of the story is that it is not good to steal anyone's things.
Well done! You've answered all my questions correctly. Till our next audiobook session. See you!
From children's stories with moral lessons and narrated by the teachers in the city of Lipa. Listen, interact, participate, appreciate. Thank you for listening!